Hey everybody, it's Robert with the Secret Wine Society, where it's our job to bring you everything strange, wonderful, and amazing in the world of wine. I've got something I think is very wonderful and amazing at the same time because I love white Burgundy, and this bottle is awesome. And the price is the amazing part. So let's see what we've got here. This is a 2018, and just to tell you how much I like it, this bottle is actually a prop because we've been working on this one. So yeah, it's that good. So 2018, and this is a Bourgogne. This is Chardonnay there. Sometimes they won't say Chardonnay on the label. That's for the Americans, I guess. And this is the Maison Chardron et Trebuchet. If we go to the back, got a lot of information here. It looks like 12.5 on the alcohol, white Burgundy wine. Altogether, kind of an unassuming little bottle. It might be one of those that you just pass right up. You know, like, yeah, Bourgogne, Chardonnay, it doesn't, it's not fancy enough. I won't impress anybody, but buy this bottle. It's so good. Let's get right to it. So this wine was fermented for 8 months, 50% stainless steel, 50% oak. So what that does, it's great color, look at that. You've got the liveliness of the fruit from the stainless steel, but the barrels give it structure. So this wine is like a Jekyll and Hyde in a way, but if Jekyll and Hyde, when they're in the same body, it's all kind of in there, but watch this. So light straw, some green highlights, which I really like it when it has that. And when I mean Jekyll and Hyde, what I really love about this wine is you get that beautiful fruit, but then the structure underneath is all supportive but yet integrated. This is really good. So again, this is not something that you'd want to age. It's not a big Chardonnay, which is one reason I like it, because I don't always want something with way too much oak in it, right? But the oak is perfect on this one. You get fruit, a little bit of stone fruit. You get, I mean, it's pretty white flowers. I mean, the nose on this thing is amazing. I really like this one a lot. I think it gets better with a little bit of air. A little bit of citrus in there, but the floral element is really what sets this apart. I really like this one. It's got a refinement to it. I mean, it's a $28 wine, but it's not really that simple. I mean, there's an elegance to it. It's not Grand Cru, but I mean, you're really getting a lot for your money, I guess is what I want to say. Let's try this. Great acid. The flavor, it's not massive, but it's got a good amount of body. The oak is perfectly layered in underneath. It's just an all around, this would be my house Chardonnay. If I were you, I've got another case coming in, I've got one back there. This should be your house Chardonnay. This is the minimum that you should serve when somebody comes to your house. It's that spectacular, and the price is right. This is literally the minimum. This would be with white meat, chicken, any type of seafood. This would go great with. I mean, it's got enough weight. I wouldn't overwhelm it with some crazy sauce, but it could handle a little bit. I mean, you got to try it once, but it's also good on its own, which is kind of a nice thing, because if you're having an appetizer sliding into food, this would work for both, because I love it by itself, which is kind of nice. Maybe serve some goat cheese. Great with goat cheese. I could totally see that. Let's try one more. Oh man, the nose is, I don't know if I want to say it, but the nose is probably so enticing.
I'm not spitting that out. Wonderful texture. The perfect mid-weight Chardonnay. Just maybe below midweight. Let's call it midweight. Just lovely on the palate. Perfect weight. Appetizer going into even main course. This is absolutely stunning. You need this bottle. It's that good. Baseline Chardonnay, you're getting white Burgundy. Beautiful bottle, $28. It's a complete steal. This won't last. Yeah, as you can see, we're working on another bottle here in a moment. So anyway, you guys, if you like what we're doing, go ahead and hit the button down here for notifications. Make sure you subscribe and also like all of our videos, and we'll see you in the shop. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.